Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Success and this is Java Mastery, or soon to be changed Premium Developer, where we dive into everything tech. And today we're tackling a question that every Python developer has faced: Pycharm or Visual Studio Code. Which IDE or which text editor is better for Python? So whether you're a seasoned coder or you're just starting, this video will help you decide which one suits your needs. So let's get on with it. Our first stop, let's give a quick overview. Pycharm, developed by JetBrains, is an IDE specially designed for Python. It packs with features out of the box, which makes it a powerful tool for Python developers. On the other hand, Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a lightweight open source code editor from Microsoft. While it's not Python specific, it has become extremely popular thanks to the versatility and the extensive extension support. But how do they compare when it comes to Python development? So let's break it down. Starting with Pycharm, one of the biggest strengths is that it's built specifically for Python. So Pycharm was built for Python. You get advanced features like intelligent code completion on the fly. You also get on the fly error checking and powerful debugger. So Python also integrates seamlessly to popular Python frameworks like Django and Flask, and it offers strong support for scientific libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Plus, if you are working on a big project, Pycharm's project navigation tools makes it easy to manage complex code bases. Now, let's talk about VS Code. Its biggest advantage is its flexibility. VS Code is a code editor, not just an IDE, so it is incredibly lightweight and fast. But don't let that fool you. Thanks to its massive marketplace of extensions, you can customize Visual Studio Code to be as powerful as you need it to be. The Python extension for Visual Studio Code, for example, brings features like IntelliSense, debugging, and even Jupyter Notebook support, making it a strong contender for Python development. Another plus is free and open source. JetBrains is not so free, but they have a community version which you can totally use for any development. Now, of course, neither is perfect. Of course, Pycharm, while feature-rich, can be quite resource intensive if you are working with an older machine. You might notice some lags. So let's say you're working in a PC that is not too good. Now using Pycharm, you might notice some lags while using Pycharm. Yeah, so especially with large projects. Plus, Pycharm's premium features come with a price tag. Like I said before, Pycharm is actually paid, but there's a free community version, which might not be ideal if you are just starting out. So on the flip side, VS Code, great strength, its flexibility can also be a drawback. The editor itself is pretty bare bones out of the box, so you will need to spend some time installing and configuring extensions to get it up to par with Pycharm out of the box experience. So if you like to use Visual Studio Code to write your Python, you can drop a comment below if you want me to make a video on how to set up your Visual Studio Code for Python development. So which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your needs. If you are working on a large-scale Python project, especially with frameworks like Django, Pycharm's specialized tools might save you a lot of time. On the other hand, if you are doing more general coding, switching between different languages, or you just want a lightweight setup, VS Code is probably the better choice, and it's also perfect for quick scripts and smaller projects. So these are the use cases here. If you are building a Django project that is a full-blown enterprise application, you might want to use Pycharm because of its specialized tools that can help you simplify the development of your project. But if you want to write easy scripts, you can use Visual Studio Code. Although you can also use Visual Studio Code for Django and other big apps, but the setup, like I said, is a little bit cumbersome compared to Pycharm, which comes out of the box with most of the needed tools. So in the end, both Pycharm and VS Code are fantastic tools for Python developers. It all comes down to your personal workflow and what you prioritize in an IDE. Me personally, I have both Pycharm and Visual Studio Code because I do JavaScript and web dev. I do all those stuff, so I use Visual Studio Code for that. And sometimes when I want to work with only Python, I use Pycharm. So which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And also I have a video explaining between IntelliJ IDEA and Visual Studio Code, which is best for Java development. IntelliJ IDEA is for Java, just like how Pycharm is for Python. So I have that video. I'm going to be leaving it in the end screen, so you can click there and go and watch that video. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.